COVID, what happened was why the economy bounced back so high real fast is because what they did was they printed money. They did what we call quantitative easing. And all that was people think they print money, but they don't really print money. What they do is they add debt to their balance sheet, and then they go to the financial institutions, your Goldman Sachs, your JP Morgan Chases, and they issue bonds. And when they buy bonds, when the banks buy bonds, then that's how they can get the cash that they just put on their balance sheet. So it's not really like they print money, they just buy bonds, and then that's how the financial institutions inject that money into the market, because now people gonna buy houses, the mortgages gonna come down and all that. But the thing is, when you add too much debt to your balance sheet, that's why they say it's not a good idea, because we already trillions of dollars in debt. So when you add too much debt to your balance sheet, what it does is it creates an environment where people can't afford to live, like, because people still gonna lose their jobs, the inflation's still going up. But if we're gonna create a stagflation scenario like in the 1970s, what everybody was talking about. So it's good to know history, so when you see stuff happening again, you like, oh, this is what they doing. Okay, because in 2020, the reason why everybody was mad, the rich got richer and the poor got poorer, because what they did is they issued all them bonds. All that did was make the financial institutions make the money cheaper for people to buy assets, and the rich people bought more assets and the poor people bought more liabilities, so the wealth gap just widened. But you don't understand that if you don't understand how money moves, you don't understand inflation, you don't understand what the Federal Reserve do, you don't understand the stock market. You just gonna think, oh, well, I'm broke because, I'm working this nut behind job. No, it's because you don't know the information and you don't know how to invest. That's the only difference. The stock market is the great equalizer.